Hello my YouTube friends and welcome to my next video. Currently we are in IKEA and we're gonna be shopping today. As well as I will be comparing Canadian IKEA with Czech IKEA because I was in IKEA when I was traveling to Czechia this year. So we're gonna walk through, shop for something, and I'm gonna tell you what are the big differences between our IKEA and Canadian IKEA. So let's get into it. I haven't finished my shed office yet, so I'm looking for a couch. This one is pretty cheap, 200, yeah. Already exhausted. This couch is cool. Because it's small and it would fit my shed. But it cost $400, so the first one was just 200 and it was a little bigger. I believe this one is more comfortable because I had the first one in my old apartment and it wasn't very good. But you know, for office, it's alright. Ah, that's nice, I'm hungry already. Yeah, I want. Yeah, we do. And meatballs, IKEA meatballs, and what else? I don't know. Okay, let's continue. That's good. That's very useful. I think I'm gonna take it. That's a very smart thing because I'm usually working on the couch without table, so for laptop it's very smart for $30. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna take it. This is cool, that looks like subway signs, you know, with the station, but it's not, it's just IKEA sign. Some IKEA reconstruction, so same space, new face. I just found cool chopsticks I need. They have pink ones, at least I think it's pink, so I'm gonna pick it up downstairs. I just found table light I really need to buy on my work table, you know, office table. That's so cute. We just found table that's going up and down. And you broke it.
Oh, I fixed it.
Oh. Oh yeah.
But it's very high, for sitting.
It is. Probably for standing. This is kids section and they have some cute stuff like this. A lot of toys and games. So I'm recording this because my sister has a baby, so she can look and go to IKEA if they have the same things, so she could let me know. Nice, nice shot. I found them and it's a whole set for $5. So see those cute mini ones, but they have pink ones. So I'm taking those. Pretty sure we don't have this in Czechia. That's so cute. So we are at the end, so let's go check clearance section. for $1 is the best, so I took 2, and then I'm gonna go check food section, which is my favorite as well. So I got 2 hot dogs, so yeah, I was very hungry, you know. I didn't have breakfast, so good. Alright, we are leaving and I'll see you at home. Alright guys, we are home, and before I show you what I bought at IKEA, I wanted to talk about the differences between Canadian IKEA and Czech IKEA. I came here first time and we went to IKEA. It seemed to me that Canadian IKEA has less things, but this time when we went there, they had a lot of stuff. I don't know if they changed it or, you know, but now it seemed to me very similar to IKEA in Czechia. I would say we have a lot of similar stuff. You'll probably see some shots from Czech IKEA during my speech, and you can compare it by yourself. But we have definitely more, like, you know, stuffed animals. Like we have a big section. And what I noticed in Czechia and didn't see here was the Home Smart section. I didn't check it like closely. I think in Home Smart you can find some like smart technology into your home, what I think it means. So that's what we have in addition in IKEA in Czech. And otherwise I think it was very similar. I don't know, I'm gonna ask my sister probably, because I saw a lot of like kids stuff, kids like toys and furniture. I'm not sure if we have that big selection in Czechia. I believe so, but I'm not sure, I haven't been there so long. I think otherwise what I saw here, it was the small like market, Sweden market, or how was it called? And I'm not sure if it was in Czechia because I wasn't in Czechia during the Christmas, you know, or like holidays. So that might be a little different. Definitely we have the clearance section, food court, you know, and this stuff. And as well like showrooms, basically, with the furniture and the rooms like decorated and furnished. That's what we have as well. And yeah, I think otherwise everything is very similar. So at the beginning I thought that this IKEA here has less stuff, but really, like this time it seemed to me that they have a lot of stuff and a lot of similar stuff. The only big difference is that in Czech IKEA you can see everything in Czech language, and here is everything English. Obviously the, you know, the names of the furniture and accessories and, you know, all equipment, the names are in Swedish, but like they are very funny. We are always making fun of those like names of the product. Otherwise it's pretty similar, and we found a lot of good things, and I'm gonna show you what I found, as well as I found something in my like shed office. So if you haven't seen this video, you should definitely go to check it out. I'm planning part 2, but now it's winter, so I'm gonna start probably in spring, because now it's too cold to, you know, furnish my shed into the office. So that's what you're gonna see in the future. And I bought some things in IKEA to start, you know, with this project as well. So let's get into it. So first I bought those chopsticks, and I think they are very cool because they are, you know, they have 2 sizes, just 2 small ones and a lot of big ones, and I wanted especially this pink one, and those are so cute, the small ones, and they were just $5, so that's cool. We were looking for like chopsticks and we couldn't have found anything, so finally we found some, which is great. So we're gonna be using those for like sushi, especially probably. Another thing is this cake mold, this baking mold. Basically it's meant for cakes, but I can bake anything. Since I got a lot of flour for Christmas, this is gonna be my big friend, or maybe more like small friend for baking. So this was, I think, $8, which was great price as well. So I'm happy for this. And you just, you know, when it's done, you just do this, you know, remove it from it. I don't know how now. Oh yeah, I made it. and it stays on the tray, which is great. So yeah, I think I was looking for a box for my flower not to have it in bags, and one is like with holes, so you know the flower is going out. But because it's a European store, they don't have like big boxes, and for this flower I need like really big, you know, a box or like, you know, a storage. And the only thing I found there is this, but it's meant probably more like a garbage bin, you know. But I think this is ideal for my flower, and I just put scoop in there, you know, and it's gonna be probably very good to store my flower. So, and this was probably like $15 or $20, I can't remember, but something, it wasn't expensive, definitely. So this is very good thing as well. Another thing I bought is this. You saw that at the beginning of this video, I think. It's for laptop. If you're sitting on the couch, you know, this is the soft side, so you just put it here, put your laptop, and you can do whatever you want. Because I'm usually sitting on the couch, I really don't want to go, you know, sit somewhere else, because I'm doing my homeworks and assignments and whatever I'm doing on the couch. So I just wanted something comfortable, and this is ideal. So this is gonna be my new friend as well, and it was as well like $15, 20. No, I think this was $30 actually. So very good thing. Another thing is this iPad holder. I already have from IKEA like headphones holder, I have a laptop holder, but the thing I missed is this iPad holder, so I can have it on the table. I like when it's like organized, so finally I have all of them, and I can have like those devices separated from each other, so that's very good. So I have to put it together, I guess, and yeah, and put there my iPad. So I'm so excited for this. And this was as well, I think $15. It wasn't expensive, I think it was $15. And the last thing, it's for my shed, and that thing is pegboard. Is this? It's pink, by the way. You can see it will fit my walls in my shed, and yeah, it's very good. I will put there some things. Definitely it's going to be very useful for some devices, electronics, some decoration maybe. So I'm very happy for that. It was on sale, I think it was like $17. Well, not sure, but it was cheap, and I'm so happy that it's pink. So this is gonna be part of my video in spring probably. So stay tuned, and you will see the progress of my shed, my office, my YouTube office. And yeah, and that was the last item, I think. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. As always, I would be really happy for a like, comment, and especially subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Let me know if you are shopping at IKEA, and if you like shopping at IKEA, I would like to know that. As well as if you know the country where the IKEA is different, because it seemed to me, because it's the same store, it seemed to me very similar. Maybe some of them they have like less stuff or different stuff, depends on the country. But yeah, let me know if you have some experience. And actually I have a very bad experience with like putting furniture together because IKEA, you know, I think people are even joking about it, that it's very difficult to put together some furniture from IKEA. You're either missing screws, or it doesn't fit, or it's like a lot of things. And yeah, as I mentioned, like it's very similar to IKEA in Czechia, just few differences. Probably depends on what people are buying the most. We have a lot of stuffed animals, so section for children probably mostly. So probably people are buying a lot of stuffed animals. So I know the Home Smart thing is new in Czechia. I haven't seen it here, so that's probably different. And yeah, otherwise everything else is pretty much same. I found a couch I used to have in my apartment in Czechia, so definitely some same stuff. Probably the regular one the most purchased, probably, I don't know, whatever. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.